In this video, we are going to put new rear shock absorbers. We've done the front shock absorbers. We're going to put new rear shock absorbers on our Range Rover Classic fire truck project car. Right, so let's have a look what's going on here. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, so this has got, so the upper thing seems to be held in with a split pin, not even threaded at all. So it's a split pin, so we just need to straighten the split pin and take that out, and then it should slide this way. And then at the bottom, check how original this car is. Alright, check this out. Look, it's even got the little rubber cover that sits on the bottom of there. How's that managed to survive all this time? Right, and then it looks like it's got sort of lock nuts. So I'll have to put a spanner on one and a socket on the other and work those off. And then we're good to go. So, right, let's have a look at the new shock absorbers. What we got? We have got some Girling shock absorbers we found. We're going to put these on the website. There we go. Right then, Girling. So that looks, so there you go. That's the top mount. It's just a bush. I guess it looks like it's held in with a cable tie so it doesn't fall out. And we got the classic double bushes at the bottom. A new nylock nut, but no rubber cap. We'll have to keep hold of our rubber cap. Right, so we've got it jacked up. We've got it on axle stands. God, Destiny's under there straight away.
I'm just checking my
spanner sizes. Right, let's get going. Here we go. Destiny's on it. She's got two spanners.
Let me figure out what way I'm going.
No,
I'm going the wrong way.
That's it. One. Something's happening.
That's the bottom one, I think.
That's the bottom one. You could try and get a socket on it now. If it's moving, keep going. It's a workout.
He's very cruddy, look.
And you're getting paid. Well, even with his little plastic cap on, he shouldn't be cruddy at all. He should be mint.
Really cruddy.
Or did the plastic cap just hold all the water? Maybe it wasn't the cunningest move, the old plastic upside down cap. A cheat, we got the big gun out. Go on then. Whoa, I'm spinning. I've let the side down. Is it move? Try going back in again.
It is coming off.
Try going back in again. And then, whoa. Alright, now out again. That should
smoke it.
Oh, that's right. Lube it up again. Forward again.
Hey.
Right, now backwards again.
I think we're free, aren't we?
No, not. No. Oh, we've stripped it.
Yeah.
Have we stripped the thread on it? Careful, it'll be, yeah.
I think it's more.
No, it's good, It's boiling hot though, that nut, so be careful. Alright, if you spin that with that, it will come off. Don't touch it though. It's hot. Are you going forwards or backwards?
Backwards.
Go on then, keep going. Nice. I'm trying to lever it. Go on, have another go. I lever it, and you. Oh, it's nearly there.
It's just spinning.
It's just spinning. Right, we'll massacre that. Right, we got the lock nut off, the first one, but it's sort of stripped the thread. We've now got a deep reach socket, and we'll try and get that other one. But whether the whole can you even get it in there, we're gonna have to jack it up a bit. No, jacked up. Oh, there we go. Right, try that. Oh, it's spinning. No, it's alright. It's not that. It's just scared. No, we're not gonna die. It's just the shock absorber spinning. So you're gonna need to give me. I'll try and hold it, but no, you're not on. Whoa.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Whoa. Death avoided. We're on the top now, so we've got this little split pin. So you got to try and bend those ears straight.
I think that one's just snapped.
Pull on the little, yeah, they do sometimes. Once you get into a certain level, you can sort of use the pliers to squeeze them together. It normally works as a good strategy. Oh, hold on, mate. The camera, there we go, he's back. No, he's all off. There we go, we're back on. Right, so Destiny's got a little trick now. She's got the pliers on it. You sort of got the sharp grip of the pliers and just a little bit at a time, pull him through. Yeah, just keep coming. We'll put a new one in. He'll curl up as we pull in, but that's it. There you go. Whee! 1, He was in there a while, I reckon. Right, so does that washer come off, or are you just going to pull the whole shock here? We got a washer, keep
Might be
him.
stuck over the bush.
Yeah.
I reckon it might need a bit of hammering.
So, where are we? Are we totally out at the bottom now?
Yeah.
Well, leave it from the bottom. Oh, yeah, it's the bush has seized.
That's going that way, that's going that way.
Do you reckon that bush has seized on? No, go on, keep. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming. Hey, don't get it in your face. All right then. That's a meaty beast of a thing, isn't it? Yeah. And then get that other bush you've got left on there off. And there we go. Right, let's get the new ones on. Right, so we've got it off, but we did notice there's actually 2 sets of holes for the split pin there. And I guess that depends how thick the bush at the top of the shock absorber is. Right, but we're going to go with the same one, hopefully. So we can't get that on wrong, can we? Slide that. And that, yeah, careful that bush doesn't fall out. Right, that looks good. And get that washer and split pin. We need that big flat washer.
Yeah,
otherwise that bush is gonna come out.
Oh.
Which way are you gonna go in that? Go in the way it came out.
Oh, it's tight to get it in.
Oh, he'll go. Do I need to push on that washer? If I got some pliers or something, I could compress the rubber. We need to compress the rubber a bit, don't we?
Yes.
Right. That's proving dodgy to get in. So what I've done, I don't know if the camera's going to focus. I've put a pointy end on the split pins. Rather than having 2 jaggedy ends, I've made it pointy. Right, careful Destiny, might be a little bit warm still on the end, but you've got your gloves on. And let's see if Destiny now can start it. Is it enough of a lead in there for you just to tap him in? Can we get it in there?
I've lost the hole completely.
You lost the hole completely.
There. Right, I'm going for that.
Will that tap in? I might need to help you. That seems to be working a treat. Now we might just have to hammer that away with 1 hammer. Do a 2-hammer operation. Dual hammering. So hammer the thing. That's it. You got to do it, and you got to do it at the same time, mate. That's it. It's like rubbing your head and patting your tummy. What? Look.
It
works. Right, but of course now, the reason the split pin's designed with the 2 offset legs is so you can separate them easily. But we can work this out. We'll give it a little... Yeah, you're going to get the little screwdriver in there. Spread them. We got it.
Maybe a bit...
Right, we done it. Right, and then once you get them a certain amount, you can get the pliers in there, can't you? Once you just grab one of those little legs with the pliers now.
I have to go for these ones.
That's it. Go on, give him a... Oh, you got them both. You got them both.
Oh, no.
You need just one of them.
I need my specs.
Go, they're separated now. Like that'll do. And then the other one, you don't want to snap them off. That ain't coming off for sure. God, that was cunning. Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good. Right, now we can take that bottom nut off and then take the bottom, and it's, notice again, it's like the 2 smaller washers meet in the middle. And that's where we're going to clamp round. And we're probably going to have to put the jack under the rear axle to jack that up when we've got it lined up. Here we go. So we've got the small washer, the bush, and then it's whether we've got enough thread to get that on.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's much easier than the front. Oh, someone's calling me. Right, so what thread was that? So
I guess that's going to be 19 again, isn't
19. Well, we zip that up and we're done. I better answer the phone. So there you go, rear shock absorber's done.